Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for players seeking a balance between power, control, and comfort. With its sleek and modern design, it provides an excellent option for both intermediate and advanced players looking to elevate their game. One of the standout features of the Radical Elite is its graphite hitting surface. This construction enhances both durability and ball control, making it ideal for accurate shots while still delivering the power needed for aggressive play. The adaptive core technology provides a solid feel on every hit, ensuring stability and reducing vibrations, which helps to minimize arm fatigue during extended play. The paddle also incorporates Head's popular comfort grip, which ensures a secure and ergonomic hold for players. The grip is designed to absorb shock and prevent slippage, promoting longer rallies and greater precision during quick exchanges. Additionally, its lightweight design ensures agility, allowing players to easily maneuver the paddle while maintaining excellent control over their shots. At 7.5 ounces, the paddle is perfectly balanced for those who prefer a medium-weight option. This weight is versatile enough for both power hitters and those who prefer a more controlled style of play. The wide body shape gives the paddle a larger sweet spot, reducing mishits and increasing consistency. Overall, the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for players who value power, control, and comfort. Its advanced construction and ergonomic features make it a great addition to any player's arsenal, helping them compete at a high level while maintaining optimal performance throughout their game. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, this paddle delivers the versatility and reliability required for all types of play. Number 2. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddle is a top-tier option for players seeking exceptional control, power, and comfort. Known for its advanced construction and superior performance, the paddle is designed to meet the needs of competitive players while delivering a smooth playing experience for all levels. Crafted with a graphite face and carbon fiber technology, the Mod Z5 offers outstanding durability and responsiveness. The graphite surface enhances ball control, allowing players to make precise shots with great accuracy. Additionally, the carbon fiber layer ensures a powerful response on both volleys and ground strokes, giving players the ability to generate significant speed without sacrificing control. This combination provides an ideal balance for those who need both finesse and power in their game. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 is its cushioned comfort grip. The ergonomic grip is designed to reduce vibrations and provide a secure, comfortable hold, allowing for longer playing sessions without discomfort. The grip's cushioned material absorbs shock, promoting a more relaxed playing experience, which is especially important for players who engage in long rallies or tournaments. The wide-body design of the paddle increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. With a 7.8-ounce weight, the paddle offers a balanced feel that works well for both aggressive power shots and control placement. This weight, combined with the aerodynamic shape, allows players to have greater maneuverability and precision on every swing. In conclusion, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 with its graphite and carbon fiber construction and cushion comfort grip is an excellent choice for players looking to elevate their game. Its combination of durability, power, and comfort makes it a standout in the world of pickleball paddles. Number 3. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S pickleball paddle is a premium paddle designed for players who want the perfect combination of performance, innovation, and technology. Built with propulsion core and charged carbon surface technology, this paddle offers enhanced power, control, and durability, making it an ideal choice for serious competitors. One of the standout features of the Perseus 3S is its elongated body shape, which not only provides a larger sweet spot but also offers improved reach and control on the court. This design gives players an advantage when executing precise shots, especially during fast exchanges or volleys. The large sweet spot reduces the likelihood of mishits, giving players more confidence and consistency in their game. The paddle's propulsion core offers an excellent balance between power and control. It provides a stable feel on each shot while still delivering the necessary power for aggressive play. The charged carbon surface technology ensures a responsive, high-performance face that optimizes ball spin and accuracy, helping players execute advanced techniques with ease. Another unique aspect of the Ben Johns Perseus 3S is the inclusion of an NFC chip. This feature allows players to access valuable performance data and connect with the JOOLA app, which tracks their play and provides insights into how they can improve their game. Approved by the UPA and UPAA certified, this paddle meets the highest standards for competitive play, ensuring that it's tournament ready. With a well-balanced weight and a comfortable grip, the Perseus 3S is designed for players who want precision, power, and the latest in pickleball technology. In conclusion, the JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus 3S pickleball paddle is a high-quality choice for those looking to take their game to the next level with its advanced features, cutting-edge design, and UPA certification. Number 4. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is a dynamic and visually striking choice for players who want both style and performance. With its vibrant colors and sleek design, it stands out on the court while providing exceptional playability for both novice and professional players. The paddle features a fiberglass surface, which is known for its ability to enhance ball control and increase power. This construction gives the paddle a balanced feel, allowing players to execute shots with both accuracy and force. The fiberglass face helps with ball spin and delivers a responsive touch, whether you're making quick volleys or driving the ball for a fast-paced rally. At the heart of the paddle is its lightweight honeycomb core, which provides excellent stability and power while reducing vibrations for a smoother feel. The honeycomb core also contributes to the paddle's optimal weight, ensuring agility without compromising on control. This makes the Tangerine paddle an excellent choice for players who want quick reaction times and the ability to place shots with precision. The paddle is USAPA approved, meaning it meets the stringent standards for competitive play, and is suitable for both recreational and tournament use. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro, the paddle's blend of power, accuracy, and comfort makes it a great option for players at any skill level. Overall, the Tangerine pickleball paddle offers a winning combination of lightweight construction, advanced materials, and eye-catching design. It's a paddle that delivers elite performance without sacrificing style, making it a fantastic choice for players looking to elevate their game while enjoying a vibrant, fun appearance on the court. Number 5. 60 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. The Quartz Pickleball Paddle is an exceptional option for players looking for a high-quality paddle at an affordable price. Designed with premium construction and featuring a raw carbon fiber face, this paddle offers a perfect balance of power, control, and durability, making it ideal for players of all skill levels. The standout feature of the Quartz paddle is its raw carbon fiber surface. This construction provides a responsive and consistent feel on every shot, allowing players to achieve excellent ball control while still generating ample power. The carbon fiber face enhances the paddle's ability to grip the ball, which improves spin potential and precision, making it easier to execute advanced shots like topspin or slice. Equipped with a lightweight design, the Quartz paddle allows for quick reactions and greater maneuverability, perfect for players who prefer an agile and fast-paced style of play. Despite its lightness, the paddle maintains a solid feel, giving players the confidence to hit powerful shots without sacrificing control or comfort. The affordable pricing of the Quartz pickleball paddle makes it accessible for players who are just starting their pickleball journey or those who need a reliable backup paddle. Despite its lower cost, the paddle doesn't compromise on performance, making it an excellent value for the price. In addition to its premium materials and affordability, the paddle also features an ergonomic grip designed for comfort and to reduce vibration, making it easier on the arms during long sessions. Whether you're playing casually or in more competitive settings, the Quartz paddle delivers impressive performance across the board. In conclusion, the Quartz Pickleball paddle offers a fantastic blend of premium raw carbon construction, affordability, and performance. It's an ideal choice for players seeking a quality paddle without breaking the bank.